We're going to take a walk down on our dock here at Brown's Marina, and we've got some folks we met from North Canton, Ohio. So we're going to see if we can take a look at their boat, chat with them for a few minutes. OH!
Take our shoes off?
Sure, that'd be great.
We'll just take them right off.
And it's yeah, just be careful of the ladder there. It's just kind of a ramp, kind of a thing.
Oh, I see.
We're going to go check out their boat.
This way?
Sure, yeah. You can go around this way and see that it's nice that the walkway's nice.
Oh, wow.
And the cover there is gone.
What's the length on this boat, Keith?
Overall, it's 47.
47, wow.
Yeah. And so when we take this cover back here, there's a settee in there.
Oh,
and
nice.
that makes it nice to come out in the evening, sit out,
Yeah.
have a
sit
glass
right
of
there.
wine. Yeah, so depending on how the sun is and everything, we'll use this area quite a bit.
So you can drive up or down?
No, we
just
just have
up.
the one helm. We have a galley up, so as you'll see when you go in, this area up in here is the galley.
Yeah, solar panels on the roof.
Yeah, so there's 900 watts of solar panels, and right
Holy
now
cow.
we're running on solar, and
That's
so
amazing.
we keep our shore power consumption down, and have like 800 and just over 50 watts of or amp hours of batteries in the engine compartment. So
You got storage compartments up here, and you
yeah,
got down
lockers up
here.
here. And,
Boy, that's awesome.
yep.
Oh, look at that big fish. Is that a tarpon?
Yeah, the big tarpons up here.
Yeah, there's a
they
couple
like to
of
hang
them.
out underneath the boat.
Boy, look how big those things are.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
That's what was under our boat the other night. I got it at night. I stuck my GoPro in the water and lit it up.
Yeah, that's the tarpon came out, and then the stingrays come around, and every once in a while the sharks swim through.
We did see one bull shark come through, and we saw the rays jumping
Oh,
out.
yeah,
We
that-
saw
isn't
it
that
twice. That was really cool.
And the rays, they jump because of to get the parasites off of them.
Oh, that's what they
we
do?
were- We were trying to figure out why do they keep jumping all the time. So we just
So
Googled
you
it.
Googled it.
Yeah.
Huh.
They said somebody lost a foot to a bull
Yeah, they
shark
stuck
down there.
their foot in the
at
water.
the-
They were sitting on the back of the
Big
boat
game
and
club.
put their foot in the
Really?
water.
That's what we heard. We were at the
When was
shark
this?
lab.
Last
Um,
night, yesterday.
Apparently, yeah.
Wow.
We just came from the shark lab,
Yeah.
and we were talking to some other folks that had mentioned that, but
Yikes.
we went down there and seen the
would not be
sharks.
good.
No, that wouldn't be fun.
So yeah,
Some
you
jet
can take it,
skis.
as you go around this way here. One of the reasons we bought the boat is it felt safe.
Yeah, nice, easy walkway.
Yeah, it
That
felt
is
safe
nice.
walking around the boat.
Yeah, it is.
That's a big boat. What year is this?
2001.
2001? Wow.
Yeah,
Oh, wow, the pilot house.
yeah. So we
The
eat
helm.
dinner up here almost every night where we eat dinner.
Oh, yeah.
Really?
Yeah, and of course the dinghy, David, the dinghy sits up there. I got it in the water now. And,
Wow. Dinghy sits up there, and then, boy, you got a great view.
yeah. Oh yeah. Really
Look
nice
at that.
view.
That is nice. Boy, you're way up in the air.
One of the reasons we bought it was we wanted to be, for visual navigation here in
Yeah.
the Bahamas, so that you could see.
Boy, yeah, you can see really good. Oh, this back patio looks so nice and comfortable.
Yeah.
You can, but I pay $4 lift like
Yeah. It's kind of a.
Oh, wow, you got a lot of room. You got a lot of room.
I got the GoPro drone. I'm gonna.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
freezer, refrigerator.
That's pretty.
I haven't had mine up yet. That's something I got to get up in the air here yet.
You got one?
Yeah, I got a Mavic
Oh,
Pro.
Yeah, those are.
That's one that's got some
Area.
plenty of storage. I keep all my
Good
glasses,
night.
my plates and stuff in the drawer so they don't get bounced around. But plenty of stories, but like I said, Consuelo didn't show up.
She did.
Oh,
She could,
wow.
Consuelo, I told her in just a little bit. I said, Consuelo's getting fired.
Yeah, nice little dinette up
Yeah,
here.
here's
and,
the refrigerator,
Look
freezer.
at that.
jeez,
And it
it's
runs
huge.
on solar.
These are all solar.
Oh, really?
This is what we have the solar panels for.
That is
So
fantastic.
no matter where we are, because I had a whole freezer. I mean, I loaded up the freezer before
Yeah.
we left. And we're
Got
still
your
eating out of it.
stove. So you don't have to have like a gimbal stove then, do
No.
you? Okay.
Yeah.
Boy, that's awesome. You got a lot of living space.
They
And then
would
right
go down
behind
to
you
the,
there,
app.
there's my monitors
Oh,
for
yeah.
the top monitors for the inverter and the bottom monitors for the solar panels.
Oh,
And
okay.
it tells me what everything's doing.
Yeah, go on down, honey.
Look at all those buttons.
Yeah, that's all
Wow,
the,
that's a big control panel.
Wow.
Should have turned some lights on down
I
there.
know, I didn't.
Well, that's just like yours, buddy. It's like 3 bedrooms.
Holy
yeah.
cow! Look at all this
Yeah, put on
space.
some lights here. Now the front,
That is
that
huge.
front
Storage.
It's
Yeah.
just we use it for storage.
Oh,
Yeah.
So look at that. That's it. Is this your quarters then, or do you guys use the sleep in the rear?
We use both.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Depends. If I want it
I love
16
it.
degrees in there, then he
Oh, sure.
sleeps back here.
Oh,
I'll show you the guy's got to see the engine room.
oh yeah.
yeah.
I want to see the business side.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And so
but
there's a
shower and
Oh, look at that. Full head in
There's a
here.
Jack and Jill's right behind that door.
Wow.
Probably got
Oh.
one. And the
Check
washer and
this
dryer
out.
is right behind you.
This is roomy.
Yeah.
and then the engine room is. We got the engine room in here.
The bottom one is
Oh,
just
my
storage.
goodness.
It's a washer and dryer.
You don't even have to crawl down in a hole like I do. Oh my God, you can get right up in there. Look at those big Cummins.
Yeah.
Oh my God, look at all the room in here. A lot more room than I've got. Big tanks.
Diesel.
Oh, yeah. Are these your batteries here? Oh, the Odysseys?
Yeah, the Odyssey batteries. Yep.
Well, there's another stateroom, lady.
How many horsepower motors are those? Or
A bathtub.
450 each.
450 each.
Living area, square footage.
What kind of fuel consumption do you do, like per hour?
If I stay down to 8 to 10 knots, I'll get a mile to the gallon. A little bit better than a mile to the gallon.
Really?
Yeah,
Huh.
but if I crank her up and I'm doing 16 to 17 knots, then yeah, we're burning some fuel. So like
Ah.
when we came back from Chubb, I poured the fuel to it, and that's 80 miles,
Mhm.
and I burn about 140 gallons in that 80 miles.
140, yeah.
Now if I would have stayed back at 8, 10 knots,
Mm-hmm.
you know, I probably would have burned, I don't know, somewhere around 60, 70 gallons. You know.
Wow. We burned about 68 gallons on the crossing and then running around here just a little bit
Yeah.
when I filled up yesterday.
Uh huh.
That's
Yeah, that's
impressive.
okay.
Boy, you got a lot. That's nice and easy to get down into.
Yeah. Yep.
I like that. Yeah, and you got cabinets and storage. So you got front storage. So you got bunkhouse up here then.
Yep. Yep. And there's the combo washer dryer behind here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's one of those.
Oh my
combo
God,
deals.
yeah. Boy, that's nice. That is nice. Everything you need.
Yep. Yep.
And then after that,
This is really cool. What's the make of this boat?
Silverton.
Oh, a Silverton, that's right.
Yep.
Okay.
See, look at me. That's no
Yep,
Sam's.
yep, that's what those are.
But they're only on my legs, right? Do you just
Oh,
get
I get them everywhere.
And then you got the aft
Yep.
cabin. Oh,
Yep.
let's see that.
That's where the bathtub is.
Oh, you got a tub even. Oh, wow. Nice roomy aft cabin. Well, good night it does. It's got a freaking tub in it. I've never seen one with a tub in it. Got the head. This is really nice. So we're gonna have a little sangria.
Absolutely.
Man, that's even better.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the back porch of their beautiful boat.
The ice
This-
machine here, also, the solar power keeps up with the ice machine, and the ice machine feeds the the Yeti, the cooler. Gotta
Oh
keep
yeah.
keep
So
it
we
going?
just keep it going.
So you got
Gotta keep it
TV
lit.
out here even. So this is an 01 Silverton 46 foot, you said?
47 overall. It's
47
they call it a 453. So
453.
you know the boat itself is 45.
45 feet.
Like
What's
I
the
said,
beam on it?
What's her face
15.
didn't show up.
15-foot beam. Wow.
Dang her.
I'm telling you, she's
I
fired.
hope you're not paying her lots.
No, she'll get nothing.
Look at this view that they're getting too.
We could go
This
get
is
our
just
own cup.
amazing.
No, honey, no. In fact, we were just talking about taking the stove out, putting a 2-burner on, because I don't use 2 burners.
This is
Put the
really
dishwasher. Coming in hot, baby.
Yeah, I wanted to see him
We were
come
out in
through
the dinghy
here.
one day,
Yeah, and the one came
and
out.
one came flying right over top of
Oh,
us.
yeah. Yeah, take your choice.
Yeah.
Bert or bit?
So did you see everything?
So we did. So
Yeah.
Hello.
this is Keith and Sue.
Hello.
Hi there.
So
we are
we
the
really
fortunate too.
the
fortunate
fortunate
too.
too.
Yeah, we are the
Boat.
fortunate too.
That is awesome. So we really appreciate letting us tour
yeah.
your boat.
Sure,
And,
absolutely.
This will be on our YouTube channel. We do YouTube channel.
Oh, fantastic.
So
We'll be on there.
You'll be on there. Let you know the link. But yeah, we're just documenting all of our travels and all the fun and people we meet, and
Yeah, how
Oh,
cool is
kind of
that?
fun to do.
Yeah.
Gotta
So
love it.
yep. So
Yeah.
we appreciate it. Well, we just had a great visit with some folks from our home state, Buckeyes. Go Buckeyes. From North Canton, Ohio, and they're checked out their liveaboard conditions, and then they told us about this liquor store. They gave us some sangria that was muy bien. So we're gonna take advantage and go over here at M&S Liquor and get us a nice big gallon of sangria to take back with us to Miami, because unfortunately we have to leave today because of the wave report. Not looking favorable tomorrow through the rest of the week. So we're going to take our window and head on back. It's been a fantastic visit here, so let's go ahead and get a little sangria. See what we got. Good afternoon. Do you have any booze here? All right. So we're going to take us some of the island beer, Kalik.
Put that down.
So what is this? Mango?
Mango.
So we're gonna get 3 mango, and we're gonna get 3 gold. I really like the island beer.